Welcome. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your belly rise. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, allow yourself to become present in this moment, letting go of any distractions or worries. Gently shift your attention to your body. Start at your toes and slowly bring your awareness up through your feet, legs, and torso. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. As you breathe in, imagine your breath flowing into these areas, bringing warmth and relaxation. With each exhale, let go of any tension, allowing it to dissolve. Continue this process up through your arms, neck, and head, releasing any remaining stress. Now, bring your focus to your breath. Observe its natural rhythm without trying to change it. Notice the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen with each inhale and exhale. If your mind starts to wander, gently acknowledge the thoughts and then return your attention to your breath. Allow each breath to deepen your sense of calm and relaxation. Let's embrace some positive affirmations. Silently repeat to yourself, I am calm and at peace. I release all stress and tension. I am fully present in this moment. I am worthy of relaxation and tranquility. My mind and body are relaxed and rejuvenated. Feel these affirmations resonate within you, enhancing your sense of inner peace. Now imagine yourself in a serene, peaceful place. It could be a quiet beach, a lush forest, or a tranquil garden. Visualize yourself there, surrounded by calm and beauty. As you breathe in, absorb the peaceful energy of this place. As you breathe out, release any remaining tension. Feel yourself becoming more relaxed with each breath, as if this peaceful environment is embracing and soothing you. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and calm. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, share, and subscribe for more calming content. Thank you for joining me, and take care.